Hello, guys. Bouncing Bryce. Connor's eating a soother. Theo, you're clapping. Sitting in the sunshine like a kitty cat. Can you show everybody how you stand up too? Come on. Oh, Bryce. Don't sit on him. Come here, Theo. Come here, sweet thing. Come here, Theo. Come here. Come on. Stand up. Come on, big boy. Come on, you can do it. I'm going to stand up on Mommy. Okay. And show everybody. Say, watch me stand. Yay, Theo! Yay, Theo! What a big boy we have. Oh, those pants on your feet sure aren't helping the situation, are they? Sorry. Sorry. Oh, a bump. Down we go. There we go. Theo, Bryce, Connor, what are you doing? Oh, yum, 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 yum. Is that a tasty soother? Ah, is that a tasty soother? Hi, Theo. Come here. Come on. Whoa.